Good morning. Your name?
Sharmila, sir.
Hi, Sarmila. Can I have your resume?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, Sarmila. Sarmila, introduce yourself.
My name is Sharmila, sir. I am from Kavali, which is famous for beautiful temples and nature. I recently completed my graduation in MSc, BScs, MSc, MScs in BSc from Vikram Singapore University, sir. Along with my degree, I also completed some internships, short-term internship based on Salesforce developer and long-term internship is based on global service desk, sir. Coming to my hobbies, my hobby is listening music and spending time with social media apps. Coming to my technical skills, I am good at manual testing and automation testing. And my strengths are hard worker and quick learner. So that's it about me, sir.
Okay, Sarmila. So this is the final mark for you, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, how much rate yourself in manual testing out of 10?
Out of 10, I will give 9, sir.
Okay. So what are the principles of software testing?
There are mainly 7 types of 7 principles in software testing, sir. First one is defect early testing and exhaustive testing is not possible, and third one is defect clustering and pesticide paradox. uh, Testing is content dependent, error absence of error facile.
Okay, what is defect clustering?
Defect cluster in there is a defect 80% defects in the present in the 20% of modules. This is a Pareto principle.
Okay, then what is error guessing?
Error guessing in error guessing, testing the application with all the possible errors.
Okay, error. So what are the black box techniques we have?
Mainly 6 types of block box testing techniques. Those are first one is boundary value analysis, equivalence partition, error guessing, decision table, state transaction diagram, use cases.
Okay, so what are the test plan?
Test plan, it is a document which is useful for future activities. It is prepared by experienced person or test leads. In test plan there have attributes. Those are object aim, scope, schedule and milestone, entry and exit, risk, assumptions, defect tracking, roles and responsibility, continuity or mitigation plan, deliverable, environmental, graphs and matrices.
Okay, what is usability testing?
Usability testing the application, whether the application is user friendly or not. So
Okay, so what is a build?
build the compiled and compressed format of an source code is called build.
So can you explain what are the different types of the servers we have?
Servers, we have 3 types of servers. One is a client server and standard loan application, web applications.
Okay. Yeah. So whom we can call as a stakeholder?
The person who gives the requirement directly or indirectly to the software company, we call as stakeholders.
So when we will go to the agile methodology?
When the customer requires the application within less time, within good quality, then we go for the agile methodology, sir.
Okay. What are the bug tracking tools we have?
Bug tracking, Bugzilla, Mantis, QC or ALM, OTM, test trial, test link, Qtest, etc.
Okay. Suppose how you are raising a defect to the developers?
By using severity and priority, sir.
Okay. What is severity and priority?
Severity means severity tells that how much the defect impacting to the customer business, sir. And priority means the priority which defect has to be fixed by the developer first by the developer. For every defect, they will set a priority, sir.
Okay. Who will set severities and priorities?
Test engineers, sir.
Okay. Is it mandatory?
Yeah, sir. For every application, it is mandatory.
Okay. Suppose if I did not set any severity and priority, what will happen?
The test engineer, the developer does not know which defect has to be fixed by the first by the developer, sir.
Okay. So when we have a Lester, at that time, what type of testings I need to do?
We will do smoke testing, sir.
So what is smoke testing?
Smoke testing means testing the application only basic features only, sir.
Okay. Can you explain the difference between smoke and sanity?
Smoke testing and sanity testing. Smoke testing, it is It is a testing done on basic features only, sir. It is a testing done on new features and bug fixes. It is a narrow and it is a shallow and wide testing. It is narrow and deep testing, sir. It is done on unstable builds. It is done on stable builds. Only positive testing is done in smoke testing. Both positive and negative testing is done in sanity testing, sir.
Okay, what are the types of the testings we have?
Three types of testing, sir. First one is white box testing, black box testing, gray box testing, sir.
Okay, so what are the levels of the testing we have?
Four types, sir. First one is functional testing, and the second one is integration testing. Third one is system testing, and fourth one is acceptance testing, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is the difference between QA and QC?
QA and QC. QA means quality assurance. QC means quality control. It is a process oriented. It is a product oriented. QA focus on building a right product. QC focus on whether we are building a product right or not. And QA aims to identify the defects. QC aims to verify the, QA aims to identify the defects. QC aims to verify the defects. It is also called manage the quality verification. It is also called manage to quality validation. It does not involve any programming languages, programming executions. It always involves programming executions. It involves static testing, sir. It includes dynamic testing also, sir. It is a corrective technique. It is a defective technique.
What is static testing and what is dynamic testing?
Testing the application. Testing the static testing means testing the application on the documents only, sir. Testing the testing will be done on the documents only, sir, in static testing.
Okay, what are the how we can do static testing?
There are three types, sir. First one is review, walkthrough, inspection, sir.
Okay. So what is exploratory testing?
Exploratory, when the requirement is there, whenever the requirement is not there, we will done on the previous requirements, sir.
Okay. Is that exploratory testing is mandatory right now?
No, sir.
Is it a functional testing or non-functional testing?
Non-functional testing, sir.
Okay. What are the non-functional testing types?
Non-functional testing types, sir.
What are the types of the testings we have in the non-functional?
Non-functional means ad hoc testing and globalization testing and usability testing, reliability testing, compatibility testing. That's it, sir.
Okay, what is usability testing?
Usability testing the application, whether the application is user friendly or not, sir.
Okay. So can you explain about the performance testing?
Performance testing, testing the application, testing the response time of application by applying the loads continuously, sir, is called performance testing, sir. There are mainly four types of performance testing: stress, load, volume, soak testing, sir.
Okay. So what are the models in the SDLC?
SDLC models. There are different types of models, sir. First one is waterfall model, spiral model, prototype model, V&V model, derived model, hybrid model, incremental development model, and agile methodology, sir.
So among those all models, which model we are going?
Present now we are using mostly agile methodology only, sir.
Okay, in agile methodology, do we have any variants?
Yeah, sir, we have 5 types of variants. First one is extreme processor, and second one is rational unified RAD, RUP, command processor.
Okay. So among those all models, which one we are using mostly?
Mostly we are using 80% of industries in is a Scrum model only, sir.
Okay, when we will go to the prototype model?
When we go to the, when the customer is new to the business, then we will go for the prototype model, sir. When the software developer is new to the domain, then they will go for the prototype model, sir.
Okay. So what is retesting and regression testing?
Retesting means testing the application whether the defect is fixed or not, and regression testing means testing the impact areas of an application after fixing the defect. After fixing the defects, we can change and modify the defects.
Okay. So what are the levels of the testings we have? Can you explain about each one?
Okay, sir. We have four types of levels of testing, sir. First one is functional testing, testing the each and every component or independently or separately is called functional testing, sir. Second one is integration testing, sir. Testing the data flow between two or more modules, sir, is called integration testing, sir. And third one is system testing, sir. Testing the application end to end just like an end user is called system testing, sir. Acceptance testing, sir. Testing the application end to end, which is useful for the customer business or not, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is uh, what is the difference between alpha and beta?
Alpha testing and beta testing. Okay, sir. Alpha testing means uh, when the when the whenever
When we can do alpha testing and when we can do beta
before
testing?
releasing the application to the end users, we will do the alpha testing, sir. And the beta testing will done after releasing the application to the end users in the market, sir. And it is also a type of acceptance testing done by the developers and testing engineers, sir. It is also acceptance testing done by the end users, sir. Only both white box testing and black box testing is done in alpha testing, sir. In beta testing, only black box testing will be done, sir. And other name for beta testing is field testing, sir. It is a virtual environmental testing. It is a real environmental testing, sir. Off-site on share, sir.
Okay. So what are the defect resolutions we have? So suppose if I'm assume that we are testing, yes, I'm raising a defect to the developers. What are the defect resolutions we have?
We have six types of defect resolutions, sir. First one is deferred or postponed, duplicate, valid or rejected, and RFE, request for enhancement, cannot reproduce and cannot fix.
So what is invalid or reject?
If the defect is invalid, the data is incorrect, then we will update the status as invalid.
Who will update that? Is a testing engineer or a developer?
Developer will update.
Okay. So what are the white box techniques we have?
White box techniques. So white box techniques, there are three types of white box techniques, sir. First one is path coverage, statement coverage, branch coverage, sir.
Okay. And also we have the some more testings ready. If
Cyclometric testing, sir.
okay, fine. Okay, sir. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.